Hello students. Next one is rotation of axis. What is a rotation of axis? See, this is the original axis, small x and small y. After rotate the axis, here origin is fixed. After rotate the axis, this is the new axis, capital X and capital Y. So what is rotation of axis? If the axes are rotated through an angle theta about the origin, then the transformed is, this type of transformed is called rotation of axis. There is a very important formula here. Directly I am saying this is capital X capital Y with reference to new axis, and small x small y is with reference to original. So this is the very important table we have to remember. Capital X capital Y, small x small y. Many of students are forgetting, just they are see, this is capital X capital Y, this is small x small y. Capital X capital Y is with reference to new axis, it is in red color. Small x small y is with reference to new axis, original axis. Small x small y is original, it is in blue color here. Okay, so small x, this is small y, capital X capital Y, cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. We have to remember this table. Now I am going to explain one important problem. Find the coordinates of 3, 4 with reference to original axis when the axes are rotated through an angle 60 degrees. First of all, I said just now, from this we have to find small x value and small y value, and capital X value and capital Y value. How can we find? See, this is very easy. X is equal to small x is equal to, small x means small x is equal to cos minus sin, in opposite cos minus sin. The cos multiplying with x plus sin multiplying with y. So here multiplying with x and y. So x into cos theta plus of minus y into sin theta. This is small x. Suppose small y is equal to, small y opposite, there is sine and cos functions. This sine function is multiplying with x and cos function is also multiplying with y. So x into sine plus y into cos. After multiplying, there is a plus symbol in between these. Okay, next one, capital X is equal to, capital X is equal to, capital X is equal to cos sine. There is cos and sine, opposite of capital X, cos and sine functions. These two are multiplying with side. X into cos plus y into sine. Next, capital Y is equal to, opposite, what are they? Minus sine cos, minus sine into x, minus x sine plus y cos. Okay, so first we learn this table, then we can easily write these four formulas. See, one important problem. Find the coordinates of 3, 4 with reference to original axis when the axes are rotated through an angle of 60 degrees. Coordinates are given. What is the coordinate? 3, 4. With reference to original axis, so we have to find the original axis. Original axis means original coordinates we have to find. Original coordinates we have to find means given is new coordinates. So given new coordinates capital X capital Y is equal to 3, 4. We have to find the original. Theta is equal to how much given? 60 degrees. Theta is equal to angle 60 degrees. So just now I said the formula. This is the table. We have to find the original. Original means small x, small y we have to find. Small x is equal to cos theta into x. That means x cos theta minus y sin theta. Small y is equal to x sin theta plus y cos theta. This is equal to x means 3 cos 60 degrees. Y means 4 sin 60 degrees. Cos 60 means this is sin 30. Sin 30 means 1 by 2. Cos 60 is equal to sin 30. This is sin 60 root 3 by 2. This is equal to LCM is 2. 3 minus 4 root 3 by 2. This is the value of x. Next, same way x means 3 into sin 60 plus y means 4 into cos 60. This is 3 into root 3 by 2. 4 into cos 60 means 1 by 2. This is 3 root 3 plus 4 by 2. This is the value of y. So, original coordinates. What are the original coordinates? X comma y is equal to 3 minus 4 root 3 by 2 comma 3 root 3 plus 4 by 2. This is the final answer. Students, next one important problem. When the axes are rotated through an angle 45 degrees, the transformed equation of curve is 17x square minus 16xy plus 17y square is equal to 225. Find the original equation of curve. See, rotation of angle is given theta value 45 degrees. So, theta is equal to 45 degrees. Find original. So, given is transformed. Given transformed equation is, this is 17x square minus 16xy plus 17y square is equal to 225. So this is given transform. Transformed means we have to write it in capital letters only. Write in capital letters. So capital X is equal to. So we have to learn the table. Remember this table first of all. From this, capital X is equal to, what is capital X? X into cos, small x into cos. Next, plus y into sin. Capital Y is equal to minus x into sin plus y into cos. This is equal to x cos 45 y sin theta means 45. Cos 45 1 by root 2, sin 45 1 by root 2. So this is x into 1 by root 2 plus y into 1 by root 2. Now this is minus x into sin 45 plus y into cos 45. Minus x into 1 by root 2, y into 1 by root 2. This is x plus y by root 2. Capital X is equal to. This is capital Y is equal to minus x plus y by root 2. Now we have to find the original. So required original equation is, so we substitute here 17 into capital X. Capital X means small x plus small y by root 2 whole square minus 16 into x means x plus y by root 2 into minus x plus y by root 2 plus 17 into y means minus x plus y by root 2 whole square is equal to 225. Here there is a simplification. 17 into, this is numerator a plus b whole square. Here to get the final result well, we have to remember the a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square formulas. This is a plus b whole square, x square plus y square plus 2xy by 2 root 2 whole square. This is y minus x, this is y plus x. We can write as y square minus x square. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. Root 2 into root 2, 2. 17 into. This is minus x plus y. Minus x plus y means this is y minus x. Simply you think as y minus x. Or otherwise like this only, a plus b whole square. A means minus x square means x square plus b square means y square minus 2ab minus 2xy by 2 is equal to 225. See, this is LCM is 2. After cross multiplication 225 into 2. Now here multiplying 17x square, 17y square, 17 2s are 34xy minus 16 into y square, 16y square, minus into minus plus 16x square. This is 17x square plus 17y square 17 2s are 34xy is equal to 225 into 2. No need to multiply. Here 17 17 34x square. Next 17 17 34 plus 6 again 34 plus 6 is 50x square. This is 50x square. Next 34xy 34xy, these two are cancelled here. Now y square terms, this is 17y square 17 34, this is 17 17 17 34, 34 minus 16 28y square. So this is equal to 225 into 2. Now take 2 common here. This is 25x square. This is this is 18 17 17 34 minus 16 18. After 2 common 25, this is 9y square, 2 cancel, this is 225. This is the final answer. So only depends on this table. So if you learn this table well, we can do each and every problem. So thank you, students. I hope you learned well in the transformation of axis chapter. So for further problems, you go through the textbook and do all types of problems. Thank you.